discuss about practice set 6.1, fifth number example we discuss here. A frequency distribution of funds collected by 120 workers in a company for the drought affected people are given in the following table. Find the mean of the funds by step deviation method. We find out here mean by step deviation method. Fund is given in rupees and number of workers are given here. For step deviation method, in solution for finding mean by step deviation method, the frequency distribution table is as follows. Here first is class, that is fund in rupees. Here fund in rupees, that is a class. Class start from 0 to 500. Next class is 500 to 1000. Next class is yes 1000 to 1500. Next yes, and next class is 2000 to 2500, and next class is yes, here 2000 to 2500, that is the last class. Therefore after that we take total. Here next column is yes correct, class mark and denoted by xi, and here we take total. Then next here class mark. For finding class mark there are two ways. Which are them? Two methods for finding class mark. First method is
class mark is equal to
yes
lower class limit plus upper class limit of 2.
good. First method is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. By applying that formula we can get class mark. And second method is, can you tell second method? What is the second method? What is the second method?
Upper limit minus lower limit upon 2.
Yes, upper limit minus lower limit upon 2, and getting number is,
Addition lower limit.
yes, getting number is adding in each lower limit. That is the second method. Which method is simple one? First or second? Second method is simple one. Upper limit is 500 minus lower limit is 0 and divided by 2. 500 minus 0, 500 divided by 2. 2 divide to 500.
250.
Yes, half of 500 is 250. That 250 add in each lower limit. Here lower limit is 0. Add 0 plus 250. What we get?
250.
250. Dot dot plus dot dot.
1000 minus 500.
Wrong.
Sorry, 1000 minus 500.
Wrong.
500 plus 200.
Yes, 500 plus 250. What is the answer? 750. Listen and apply. Don't listen and apply. That answer add in each lower limit. Here lower limit is 0, add 250, we get 250. Lower limit is 500, add 250, we get 750. 1000 plus 250, 1250. Dot dot plus dot dot.
1750.
Before that, tell addition.
1500 plus
1500 lower limit plus 250, we get 1000.
750.
Yes.
2000 plus 250 is equal to 2250.
Yes, 2000 plus 250, we get 2250. Good. Here, which class mark we consider assumed mean? Assumed mean denoted by A, and what we consider 1250. That class mark present at the middle of that class mark. On upper side 2 numbers, on lower side also 2 numbers. Suppose one student take 1750 is the assumed mean. Then that student get wrong answer or correct answer? Yes, correct answer. Who take 1750? Who was taking that assumed mean? Yes, you take that assumed mean 1750, and another student take assumed mean 750. Who? Yes, both students take different values and check that is same answer or different answer. We check at this time. All students take this assumed mean and some student take both assumed limit. Then what we find out next class mark is S di is equal to xi minus a, that is xi minus a is assumed 1250. Value of xi is 250 minus 1250.
minus 1000.
Yes, correct. Minus 1000 we get here. Next. Value of xi is 750 minus 1250. 750 minus 1250. Subtract 1250 minus 750. Next. Yes, minus 500. That is the answer. Larger number sign minus we write here. Next, 1250 minus 1250. We get 0. 1750 minus 1250. 500. Correct. 2250 minus 1250. Yes. 2250 minus 1250. 250 get cancel. 2 minus 1 is, and answer is 1000. 10th student can't subtract. Only after that next column is UI is equal to di upon G. Here G is equal to class width. First formula of class width. Next. Difference between two consecutive, that is the first formula. Is it correct? Difference between two consecutive class marks. Here class marks are present here, and two consecutive class mark, that is first and second, or first or third. Which is the consecutive? First, third, or first, second? First and second are consecutive. Consecutive means kramwar. After one we get two, not third. That is the asking question. Confused and slip. Yes. These are the two consecutive class marks. Then difference means subtraction. Tail subtraction. 750 minus 250. What we get? 500. Then next formula is formula of G. Next next formula is
lower limit of
difference between
lower
lower limit of two consecutive classes. Tell here which are the two consecutive classes.
0 500
0 to 500 is the first,
500 to
500 to 1000 that is second. These are the two consecutive classes. Difference between lower limit
500
difference 0 and 500 difference is
500
500. Next formula is
distance between
distance not difference.
difference between two upper two consecutive
Difference between upper limit of two consecutive classes. These are the two consecutive classes. Upper limits are
1000
1000 and
500
500. What is the difference?
500
Difference is 500. Means we get here 500. Next formula is
upper limit minus lower limit.
upper limit minus lower limit. Which class we consider?
First and
First and
second.
second. Out of these two, one only consider.
1000.
That is second class you consider. Formula is,
Upper limit minus lower limit.
and in bracket is important. Continue classes are essential. Is the classes are continuous? Continuous means end and starting are similar. That is continuous. End is 500 and starting is 500. Both are different or same? Same means continuous. End 100 starting, end 1000 starting 1000 means continuous. This also continuous, this also continuous. Means these are continuous classes. Then you can use upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is 1000 and minus lower limit is
500.
1000 minus 500.
500.
We get 500. Means we apply 4 formulae and we get 4 times 500. Is it correct? How many students understand? Yes, good. Then di here di is minus 1000 divided by g. Value of g is 500.
Minus 1000 upon 500.
Minus 1000 upon 500. Minus 1000 upon 500. What we get?
Minus
Minus 2. Correct. Minus 500 upon 500. What we get? Minus 1. Correct. 0 upon 500. 0. 500 upon 500. Correct. Good. We get 1. Value of di is 1000 divided by g is, and answer we get 2. 500 2s are 1000. Then next, yes, frequency denoted by Fi, and frequency means Yes. Frequency means number of workers. Number of workers. Yes. Tell here. Frequency is. That frequencies we write here. Frequencies are number of workers. First is 35, second is 28, third is, fourth is, and fifth is. That frequencies we write here. Tell.
31, 28, 32, 15, 10.
Yes. And here what we write?
Summation Fi.
Good. Summation Fi. Addition is 120. How many students get 120? Yes, good. Many students get 120. What is the next step? Fi into UI. And here summation Fi UI. Fi is 35, UI is minus 2, multiplication is yes minus 70. 28 into minus 1 minus 28.
0.
32 into 0 0. 15 into 1 15. 10 into 2 multiplication is 20. Then similar sign indicate addition. Addition is minus 98. Confuse. Similar sign indicate addition and sign as it is. Here signs are similar. Addition is 35 minus 98 plus 35 minus 98 plus 35. Signs are different sign indicate subtraction. 98 minus 35
Minus 16.
63 and larger number sign is minus. How many students get minus 63? Yes, good. Then we can use here formula. Formula for tell here. Formula for next. X bar also wrong. Next. Repeat again. U bar is equal to summation Fi Ui divided by summation Fi. Summation Fi Ui is minus 63. Last. Summation Fi is 120. Which number we divide here? 3 divide here. 3 2s are 6. 3 1 is 1. 3 1 is 3. 3 4s are 12. 4 0 is 0. 3 0 is 0. Therefore, U bar is equal to minus 21 divided by 40. After that, U bar G. Q bar G. Next, G. Next G. Which formula we can apply here? Next.
X bar is equal to A.
Good. X bar is equal to A plus
G U bar.
G U bar. Good. Very good. Value of A is 1250 plus G. Value of G is 500 that we write here into value of U bar. Yes, minus 21 upon 40 we write in bracket. Then 0 and this 0 get cancelled. 2 divide here. 2 2s are 4. Half of 50 is, yes, to make 2 parts of 50, that is half part, 25. X bar is equal to 1250 plus minus denominator is 2 and numerator's multiplication 25 into 21. Multiply all students. Do multiplication. Is it correct? 525. How many students get 525? Yes, good. 525. 525 and dividing by 2. 2 divide here. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4. Carry on 2. 2 6 are 12. Subtraction is 0. Carry on 5. 2 2s are 4. Subtraction is here decimal point present, that decimal point give here, and infinite zeros are there. Out of that, one zero we consider here. 2 divide to 10, 2 fives are 10, and subtraction is, then final answer we get x bar is equal to 1250 minus 262.5, and do here subtraction. 1250 minus 262.5, here take point 0 and subtract. What is the answer?
987.5.
900
87.5.
987.5. How many students get that answer? Yes, good. 987.5. That is 0.50. Answer sentence is, find here answer sentence. The mean of the funds by step deviation method is 987.50, and unit is, yes, unit is here rupees. Therefore, what is the answer? The mean of the funds by step deviation method 987.50 rupees. That is the answer. Is any difficulty? This is the method of solution. Write down.